Is it a neutral?
No way!
He's going to do a stunt. Something happened to your speaker.
Couple ammoed. Oh no.
No.
What are the chances of it starting?
I reckon the chance of it starting are pretty low. What are you saying? I don't even think the interior light's coming now.
Yeah, it's pretty dead.
Maybe it doesn't have an interior light.
Maybe it doesn't. Wishful thinking.
Oh. Oh!
Oh, lights. Is it a neutral?
No way! Oh, she's a beauty.
Wow, look at that interior light.
If anyone would like to buy a D14, never raced or rallied, one lady owner from you. Right, some fast bulbs, fast blue bulbs. Highly advanced Halfords toolkit. So the little D series started straight away, and now this thing won't bloody move.
Bloody dead.
It bloody dead.
Wait and see this. He's going to do a stunt.
I can't really see where it's going.
You don't need to see where you're going to do a stunt.
Fair.
Just don't hit the Porsche.
No, that'd be quite bad.
Yeah. Wow, you got a fast reverse lights.
What's this? How to kill a D series in 5 minutes?
That's good burnout.
All that car's done since he bought it is do 3 big burnouts.
Left. Straight. Stop! It starts here. Hey Mike, it starts here.
It does. Game on.
Game on. Hi.
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 This is the race car, not that.
Not that.
This is fake. This is fake.
This is fake.
That's bought, not built. And this is...
That's just a 406 coupe.
That's never raced in his life.
Well, like that. What's that?
Which one?
This one.
That one's slow, I heard.
That's just a grocery getter.
What about
Sport 5.
Oh.
What? It attacked me, you missed it. Look,
that? Wow!
it's got a super fast bonnet, watch this. Fucking
Oh my
Jesus
goodness
Christ.
gracious, look at that. That's straight off of Japan. But
Straight off
wrong
of-
colours.
So yeah,
Straight off of Longton.
He's fast, he is.
don't even need to put the K series in it.
What's this about?
Sorry,
What's the
no.
point of this big box if all the air goes through this?
Well, that's your supercharger,
Ah, right, okay.
and that's your supercharger intake,
Ah, okay.
and that's your secondary airbox.
Well, that was just piss poor. Do you want an actual permanent marker?
Yes, please.
So yeah, case what already? Aren't. Hopefully get this D14 out,
In the bin.
throw it in the bin.
Manifold's worth more than the engine.
Probably. This engine's actually for sale. One careful owner from you.
Never done a burnout.
Never done a burnout.
Or one bomb.
Should I do my own little introduction?
Hi,
It is
my
car,
name's
isn't
Mike.
it? We're professionals, we don't use angle grinders.
No, we just use others.
Yeah.
Hammers, okay.
And hammers. Hammers.
Hammers.
So yeah, for those
Hammers.
who have... no. I was joking, Jeremy.
Ah, he's gone. You've got the setting now.
But yeah, for those who have just joined us, welcome to the first part of...
Smoking inside from your burnout.
I'm trying to introduce myself here.
Sorry.
Now, on a serious note, everyone that's just joining us, this is my EK, or the purists out there, this is actually an EJ9. It's a 1.4 Civic with a D14 in it. Hopefully we're going to be turning it into a time attack car to race in the 2021 UK Time Attack. We should be going for the Pocket Rocket NA class, so that's it's going to be K-swapped, normal K20, just with cams in it and basic breathing mods. Hopefully run about the 250 horsepower mark and see where we're at then. I think that was alright. A little walk around of the car. It's got some rotor wheels on it at the moment. Not sure what we're going to be doing with those. Probably use it for wets or something. The shell itself is very, very clean actually. It has a paint and arches done in the past. Yeah, literally no rust. Really good shell. Hi Andrew.
Hi.
What's going on here?
These are the approved trim removal tools.
Yeah, we probably use those rotor wheels for wets, to be honest, and run something else for the main set of wheels. Not sure what we're doing about that bonnet yet. We're gonna have to do something about that. Oh, something happened. But yeah, I'm gonna start stripping the engine bay down. I think Fordy and Alex are going to start with the interior by the looks of it. They're taking that upon themselves. That's nice.
Are you saving the interior or is it going in the bin?
Are we saving in the interior or is it going in the bin?
Ben, mate, seen a bear.
Hey, you're not allowed to swear.
Seen a bear.
Spencer can't upload it if he swears. Here's Rich, he's going to be helping us with the build. He likes watching weld. Supervising. You're chief welder, Rich.
I know.
So Rich, in his spare time, he just watches YouTube videos on how to weld.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
And just pigeon over everything.
Mike, something happened.
Rich is welding my cage in, so I hope there's not going to be any pigeon in there.
All pigeons.
Something happened to your speaker.
Couple ammo.
No. I don't think that's going to work anymore, is it?
No.
That would be quite cool.
Got my first injury. Frayed throttle cable has given me a bleed and it stopped bleeding. Now I've got the camera out. I promise it was bleeding. Rich is really into his tools, so if that was me, I would have just done a normal socket on that.
Well, impact. Everything's coming off.
Oh. Do you not having it, Rich?
No.
Wizardry. Oh, he's gone. It's either that or my Halfords. Tools are snapped.
No, it's not.
Beautiful. Never doubted them. Where my seat's gone?
Gone. In.
You stole them.
Oh.
So Connor's going to be building a K-swap CRX, aren't you soon, Connor?
Oh.
When's that starting?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Whenever my engine turns up and some of the welding's finished.
Nice.
It'll be nice once done. Hopefully it'll be done around the same time. Your EK will be done.
Not whilst you're stood here, you won't.
No, not one. Twiddling my thumbs, whacking at people. But pull it out. That one's attached to something. There's somewhere safe.
Yeah, we need them.
Where's the safe pile?
Safe pile. There.
There.
That's stuff we need. Chris will probably sell it on eBay tomorrow.
Who's coming here? Where's the engine?
So this is NSX that's won this year's Time Attack 2020 Club 2-wheel drive. This will be supercharged next year for 2021. Ready for a different class.
So,
Oh, that was this one.
we go around the engine bay now and we have a look what's left. and it doesn't take long to take one of these out.
I'm just going to say something to add to this video, that nobody here working on this car is a qualified mechanic in any way, shape or form.
No.
So if there's people watching this thinking, what on earth are they doing? That's the reason. We're just guys who are into cars. We think we know what we're doing. We're hopefully going to get there. I mean, if bits fall off during time attack, I'm sorry.
Well, we've got professional mechanics when we get to time attack.
Yeah.
So, you know, I hope someone's done an injury.
I'm okay. I only bashed my thumb a little bit.
Did you?
Yeah.
Is there no arterial blood making it?
Oh.
No, I'm not bleeding.
Oh dear, Ford.
As I said, we're all into cars a bit, so this is Fordy. What car have you got, Ford? What do you drive?
I've got a Mini.
And what else have you got?
Nothing. I've got an ornament. What looks like a Skyline. Skyliner.
Is it a GTST?
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's a GTR really.
He's being silly.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I think we've finished dribbling now. I think we might have a go at this bit. So we can get the radiator out now and start disconnecting the coolant lines and get this beast of a D-series out the car. Oh dear.
Oh, heck.
Oh, it's off.
There you go. We won't be needing that little radiator anymore.
Just extra weight. Oh, X. Oh no! The car's a bit wet.
Yeah.
Got a spillage. It would make sense putting this in here, wouldn't it?
So now we just have to go round and find what's connected, disconnect everything, ready to pull the engine out. I don't know how we're going to do that yet because I haven't seen an engine crane anywhere. So
right, so I think we're going to drop the engine from the bottom and not take it from the top. Makes sense just doing the subframe and that, and then drop
I'm
it
taking the
down.
mirror off, look.
why are you doing that?
It's heavy.
Seriously, why have you taken the mirror off?
Because we're going to get some lightweight ones.
This is quite quick progress really. So this is about half hour in and we've removed that much car.
So we took the 96 behind. Got a hole in. The speaker's got a hole in, look.
So now we have most of the interior removed. There's going to be a few bits remaining. Not much, because we've got to get all the sound deadening out, because we've got to weld a cage in, so you know, you don't want that in there.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to go and have some food, yeah, I'll turn that one off.
Let's go.
We're going to go and have a funky chicken break now, I think.
Dinner break.
Wash our hands because we've
And we
got
do need to wash our
workman
hands.
hands.
We don't really though, do we? There's nothing like a bit of a
It's added protein.
5W40 sauce.
I've got spores on mine. Interior spores.
You are a spore.
It's very important that you have the sanitize at the moment. So now we can go and eat funky.
Oh yeah.
So if anyone does happen to be watching this video,
Sponsored by.
and they're from Stoke-on-Trent or nearby, you do want to go and check out Funky Chicken in Cobridge, because their food is absolutely incredible.
Premium chicken stockists.
I hope Rich has got something to show us. The notorious bitch pin, as a lot of people call it on these.
So we've got this circlet that goes over here, like that. And then as you can see there, some people struggle with this. It's much easier on a ramp, but you know, it's a little bit hard work on the floor sometimes.
Hit it really hard.
Yeah, it is just a,
Would you like to have?
it's just like a sleeve pin.
Yeah, you want this, Rich?
Wow. Yeah, I think we're going to want something. No, because it'll spread it as it goes
Oh
in.
yeah, it will, won't it?
Yeah.
That's the key, you don't want to spread it open, do you?
you know, it takes a bit of work. Let's try different. So I think the key is to hit it. Yeah. Don't tickle it, hit it. Oh.
So we're just draining the gearbox oil, and we should have the engine out soon. Done the lower arm, ball joints and stuff. So we can take the drive shafts and that out and then get cracking with the engine coming out. GoPro has got a low battery, so hopefully we should get everything that we want to tonight, but if not, sorry.